Oh, man, now I'm gonna get mine.
Yo guys, Mr. Viper here, and today Mr. Puff and I are going to be jumping into the water here.
Mr. Hare.
Mr. Hare?
That's my new name.
Mr. Hare. It was just raining all day today and all night last night. It's freezing, isn't it? And right now it is 55 degrees out.
Oh my god, that is really cold.
This is slippery. Like, look, it's wet and it's like, it looks worse. Oh my god. Okay, where's our slingshot? Our slingshot's right here. Oh!
Don't step on this, please. You're gonna absolutely die.
We have been requested to jump into this. Last time we did this, Wyatt didn't jump in, and I did. And everyone wants to see Wyatt go in, so you're gonna get it tonight. Look at those clouds back there.
I should try to catch some fishies.
You should. Look at this water. It looks like it's running pretty fast.
Guys, this is really deep.
Oh my god. How cold is it?
This is cold. I'm not the good socks. I forgot to change my sock. It is freezing.
Yeah, I bet it is.
I don't even want to go up my knees. I don't think you should jump in.
Look at those clouds.
You're gonna like die if you try to jump in.
They're moving so fast. Check out my shoes. Muddy. Just the way some of you like it.
Yeah,
Oh my god, I'm not ready for this. It's too cold. Wyatt decided to do this when it's dark out.
Hey, just gotta do what you gotta do.
It was so nice today. It was like 61.
Told him I would, so I did come out here.
Oh my god, are you ready?
Yeah, don't die, please.
Hold up, gotta wait for the wind.
If you go in there, you're gonna freeze to death. And
I'm gonna freeze to
don't
death.
slip. Okay, don't slip. Don't slip.
I don't know if I want to do this.
I mean, we can just walk over here for a little while, and we don't have to go all the way down. Oh, isn't that cold? Don't slip. Stay on the edge.
Oh my god.
That is usually what people don't say, stay on the edge, but stay on the edge.
Oh! This breeze does not help at all either. It is freezing.
Shoes are getting cleaned. Ooh, all clean, all new. Fresh new shoes.
Oh, it's so cold. It's now your turn.
Okay, guys, stay right there, guys.
There's just lightning. Guys, look at the sky. And there was just lightning, so we kind of got to hurry this up. And whoa, look at that. I don't know, it was just a flash. Like right up all over the place. Oh, why is that so cold? Oh my god.
I go so far, I can't step in.
I swear there's just another lightning. I couldn't really see it that time. Are you getting that grass in your shoe?
Stupidest place to be the thing There's a big drop right here somewhere, so watch out.
Oh, that's cold. just gonna walk around in circles.
I mean, they requested wet water with Air Forces. They asked for white, but they got black.
Yeah.
Well, I better. I got good socks on, good jeans on, good shoes on. Just bought them on the shoes today. Let's switch it up.
That's how we get our
This is
thumbnail.
the
Oh my god.
It's getting numb. It's like hurting so
It is.
And it would be the funniest thing if I'm just sitting here, the turtle head just pops up right here. I'm just like, hi, little buddy.
I know.
And he just disappears.
Oh, I can't go in any more than this.
Let's just dance.
So I'm sorry, guys. I can't go in any more than this. We were at least gonna go up to our knees, but we can't do that. It's way too cold. It is so cold.
Just got my phone. Did you really? It's a great video right there.
Yeah, we're just sitting here bouncing around.
Let's act like we're running.
I know.
Hold you like a baby. I ain't getting you to fall me. I won't make you fall you.
Now backflip. Oh, this man. Whoop.
I got my phone. Let go.
I might keep that in.
There's one knee.
I kind of got a cut on this knee, so I'm not gonna put this one in because this water is pretty dirty.
Okay, guys, you got what you wanted. No complaining, bro.
Okay, guys, so hope you guys did enjoy this video. We're gonna leave this video here. So I was coming out here expecting us to kind of jump in the water, but it's way too cold. I'm sorry, but so hope you guys did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you liked it, and bye. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
They're all gonna be commenting you went in the wrong part.